Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. Today we will solve the age-old problem. Well, it's not an age-old problem, it's just a very short problem of what on earth Jasmine's going to do for a toilet. Because when I built this, I couldn't find a place to put a bathroom in. I really like what I did with it, but I just could not figure out a way to put a bathroom in. So, hashtag Jasmine's toilet problem. And you guys gave me some really good ideas of how we might solve this. So, Jasmine's here. She's doing the I need to do a wee dance. And she's got no toilet. She's got nowhere to go. So, where's she going? Where is she going? Oh, okay, all right. So, Number one, the first solution we got. So, wouldn't she have a Middle Eastern squatting toilet that wouldn't take up much space? We'll talk about that in a minute. Lily says, why doesn't she go in the bushes? Well, Lily, why doesn't she? Okay, so we've got a convenient bush here right near her house. Look around, there's nobody there. So, okay. When nature calls, then you can go out to nature. And we might give her a little bit more privacy here. Might build up the greenery a bit more, and a little bit more, and a little bit more. There we go. And just avert your eyes for a moment because she's almost, oh, there we go. She's finished. Nice. All right. So, natural toileting out in the bush. So that is our first solution. Oh, but no, hold on. She's doing the toilet dance again. So let's see what you guys had for another solution. Gabriella said maybe you could make a separate room not connected to the building. Oh yeah, some people here in Australia have a toilet in their garden in a little shed. And that would also keep it symmetrical. That's really important for me because I love the symmetry of what I created. So if we had a little outhouse, this is one that came with the swimming pool, well, one of the swimming pools. It could just sit off the side. I don't really want to build up further. I don't even really want to hinge something like this off the side or the back because there's so much glass you'd see it and it'd ruin the aesthetics. So for now, let's just sit this little outhouse over here because Jasmine really needs to go to the toilet. So we won't deny her that. We've got an outhouse sitting here and she's sitting on there kind of a bit lopsided, but she can do what she needs to do and we can move on to number 3. Oh my goodness, she needs to stop drinking coffee. She's doing the wee dance again. Oh my goodness. Right, so number 3, maybe you could make her a little outhouse. Oh, we've done that, okay. Or if the waterfall is good at cleaning itself, she could use it for multi-purposes. Winky face! Multi-purposes, you say. Well, right, so what multi-purpose are we using it for? So the waterfall is now a toilet. That's a little bit disgusting. I hope it is a really good cleaner because she's using this as a bath as well. So maybe this isn't the best of choices, but don't pretend that you weren't thinking that that would be a solution to the toilet problem because I sure was. Okay, another one. Let's see. So Jasmine's up here having a lovely rest on her bed. Except now she needs to go to the toilet again. So solution number 4, make her have a chamber pot. Right, well this is an old-fashioned concept. So in the old days, before we had toilets in the house, people used to do their business in a pot and then put a cloth over it and put it under the bed and then they'd empty it out in the morning, or their servants would empty it out in the morning. So we can't quite put this pot under the bed. So now that Jasmine's done her business, we can empty it out and ta-da, chamber pot. Done! So not the most sanitary option in today's choices, but still an option. Alright, so once again, the wee dance again. Jasmine needs to go to the toilet. She's going down the elevator. Where is she going? Oh, she's off. She's gone. Okay, so let's see. Number 5. All the princesses' apartments are probably close to each other. So when she has to use the toilet, she will probably ask one of the other princesses to use their toilet. Now that's a good idea, if slightly intrusive upon the other princesses' privacy. So here she is at Belle's apartment. Belle's just trying to read a book. Oh, hi Belle, could I use your toilet? Sure. Do people just drop in to use other people's toilets? Well, they do now. So Jasmine's okay. We can kind of give her a bit of a moment. There we go. She's used the toilet. She's washing her hands. So, all right. So she's dropped by. She has used Belle's toilet. Thanks, Belle. Thanks for the use of your toilet. And Belle's not sure what just went on there, but she's probably hoping it doesn't happen again. But, oh, hold on, there's that bush. So it's a bit of a trek to Belle's apartment. Probably not the best option, and especially if you want to keep your friendship nice and close with the other princesses. So let's go on to the next option. What do we have here? We're loitering outside the elevator. Jasmine's doing the wee dance again. So number 6, what do we got? Hi, Ellie, put the toilet in the elevator. protector. So it can also be a seat when you aren't using it. Problem solved. Thanks. Thanks, Em. Thanks, Em. Thank you, Em. So let's give this a try. So if we put a toilet in the elevator. Okay, so she's got a nice comfy seat there. Let's see how this goes. Oh, hold on. It's not going to work on that. It's not safe. So we might turn it on the side because there's going to be a bit more room there now for her legs to be able to actually go up into the next level. And you know what? This would actually might work. Let's sticky tack her to the toilet because a moving toilet is obviously not the safest place. But let's give it a go now that she's sticky tacked on. Check that out. All right, she's a bit askew, but that one actually works if you don't find it weird for there to be a toilet in the elevator. Okay, so we've got some options, but Jasmine's doing the wee dance again. So number 7, why not put it on the flying carpet? Now this, nobody went with this idea, and this is my idea. I totally think that the flying carpet, the magic carpet, could have a toilet on it. Because why not? We're being totally ridiculous. So of course she could go to the toilet. She could go and do her business while flying in the skies. In fact, if she goes up high, oh, hold on, this is a long one. Okay, it might have changed from a number 1 to a number 2. So if she goes up high enough, she can have quite a bit of privacy. I mean, only the birds are going to see her up there, or anybody flying past in a plane. Okay, and she's all done. She can safely, oh, okay. Maybe using a toilet on a magic carpet is not the best option, but I thought it was pretty funny. So let's see what the next option is. At the moment she's doing yoga. Looks like she's doing, I think that pose is called the dead cockroach. But we all know what's coming now. She's drunk too much water while she's been exercising. And of course, she needs to go to the bathroom. So number 8. Replace the balcony with a bathroom and build a huge rooftop garden. Well, I'm not going to replace the balcony because I love the balcony, but there might be a bit of space on here to actually make a toilet. And I'm thinking that we might be able to put it behind this little stained glass area. It'll be like a toilet out in the open air. So no privacy, but at least she'll have a toilet. And at the moment, I think that having a toilet is the most pressing problem. So here's a toilet I prepared earlier, and it does fit in this little space. It's kind of hanging precariously off the side. But let's make this section really pretty. We'll put an awning over it. See, actually, that's not a terrible option to put one out here on the balcony, apart from the fact that it's hanging off the side. You know what, though? We might be able to move this back one more stud and she'll still have room to do yoga, I think. So if I take everything out and we move the yoga mat one more stud forward and then we put everything else one more stud closer to the yoga mat. So it's looking a bit crampy in here now, but not as crampy as it would be if you couldn't go to the toilet. So now we've got a really pretty little awning that can go over the toilet. We'll fill that space with a flower. We'll put our palm trees back over here, or palm leaves. And now we've got just that little bit of extra space for the toilet, which is still kind of hanging over the edge. So this is an option. It's once again slightly dangerous, but it works. That one works okay. But we've got another one. Let's see what else we've got. So that one was an option which doesn't ruin my symmetry. She's in the spa. Gotta go to the toilet. Where is she going to now? So option number 9, maybe you can put another little level above the elevator and hide the toilet behind the golden roof dome. What do you think? Well, I think that that's actually probably the best choice because there was a bit of dead space here behind the golden dome. I kind of left it a bit unfinished. You see that circle's just sitting there hanging in the air. So there is a tiny amount of space here, not enough room for a whole bathroom, but definitely enough room for a toilet. So we're going to make one of those little low toilets, nice low toilet, because it's not going to be overly private up here. I think that, well, it's going to be private enough because she's up pretty high, but her head I think is going to stick over the top. And because I can't just make it a boring little toilet space, we're going to try and I'm going to make sure I get these little petals for my tile mosaic correct this time, so I don't have to redo it again. I think that's right. And I wish I had some more of those little mint ones that I could put in the corners, but I don't. So we're just going to leave it like that for now. Now she's got a toilet right up here. It's like a throne right up on the very top. And yeah, she does stick out the top a bit there. But she can literally go to the toilet on the top of the world. And when she When she flushes the toilet, where does that wastewater go? Well, somebody asked me, where does the water come from, the waterfall? That's a question I think you're going to have to answer for yourselves. Because it's not the answer you want to hear. I think maybe we should have just stuck with the toilet on the magic carpet. What do you think? Let me know in the comments which one your favourite toileting option is. Doesn't have to be the most sensible one. And I think we'll leave it where it is for now. And let Jasmine have a toilet that is like a throne up on the very top of her new house. Now I'll see you with a new video very, very soon, so make sure you've subscribed. Make sure you have given this video a big thumbs up because we did solve some problems today, and I'll be back with a new video very, very soon. So I'll see you then. Bye!